Hey everybody, welcome back. Just a little update here on our Snap-on tool box restoration that we started a couple weeks ago. It's coming to fruition here. We've got pretty much everything in place. Paint, we're still doing some paint correction on it, but we got most of that done. We got it cut and buffed. We just got to put a little more shine to it. The latest thing we did here, started putting things back in, just a little organization stuff, but this hinge was busted. So Snap-on sent me a new one free of charge. It was covered under their lifetime warranty, and all I had to do was run a couple rivets in here and grind this one down so the box would close. So that's locking hinges back in place, and I'm waiting on new slides for the bottom drawer. Snap-on is sending me some new slides. Those haven't arrived yet, but that big drawer will take a lot of the heavy equipment, and we'll put those back in, and we'll get some touch-up paint on some of the nicks here, but for the most part we're done. Just give you kind of a quick tour. Plier drawers, miscellaneous wrenches. We went with another smaller plier drawer here, and then we went with our wrench drawer, standard and metric. More wrenches in that drawer. Screwdrivers, we got all different flavors there. Sockets, 3/4 inch, 3/8, 1/4 inch are all there. We got our extra sockets for beating on if we need to use them. We got some air tools, our impact sockets, and then down here we got our hammers and our hacksaws and that kind of thing. So all the liners have been cleaned and some have been replaced in the drawers. We haven't filled up everything. We still got to go through some stuff and fill some of these upper drawers. Chisels and punches, scrapers, my specialty screwdrivers, and so on. So we're still working on it. I'm guessing as soon as the slides get here for the bottom drawer, this thing will be wrapped up, and we'll get the paint buffed out a little bit more and touched up, and we'll be back in business, and I'll do a final video on everything that we did. So that's where we're at. Take care, everyone.